kids, do you want to color with me? Today we're going to color Peppa Pig. On this hot summer day, Peppa decided to go for a swim. She put on her bathing suit and her floaties and jumped in the water. Let's take a look at all the interesting friends she met that day. Let's start coloring Peppa. Peppa is pink. Now let's color Peppa's bathing suit. Peppa's bathing suit is red. What about her floaties? Her floaties are yellow. Don't forget Peppa's cheek. Peppa's cheek is red. What should we color next? Let's color the sun. What color is the sun? Yellow. That's right. The sun is yellow. What should we color next? Let's color the octopus. The octopus is purple. Can you guess how many arms does an octopus have? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's right, an octopus has 8 arms. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. An octopus has 8 arms. What should we color next? Let's color the crab. The crab is red. A red crab. Let's color the starfish pink. A seashell? Right here. Let's color the seashell yellow. What should we color next? Do you see any fish in the water? How many fish do we have? 1, 2. That's right, there are 2 fish in the water. Let's color mama fish Orange. Let's move on to baby fish. Baby fish is purple. Next, let's color the sea snail. The sea snail is hiding in his shell. The sea snail is yellow. Do you see any flowers in the water? The flowers are called algae. Let's color the algae green. Can you count with me how many algae do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What should we color next? Let's color the water. The water is blue. What should we color next? Let's color the sky. The sky is also blue. Let's take a lighter shade of blue. Can you count with me how many clouds do we have? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 white clouds. Thank you for coloring with me. See you soon.